Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's quite a boring time in crypto, but don't make any mistake that we still have a technical target for SHIB up to 3568. Now, I don't know why we're still moving sideways. Perhaps it's just getting slowly right there, but we can even expect some pump, of course. Now, halving is very close. Next month is a month of halving. Now, I cannot really say if there's going to be a confirmation of a pre-halving dump or not, but if the dump ever happens in crypto this time, I think that maybe the last dump you'll ever get in this bear market, or get the you know the most cheapest discounted prices for a long time to come, because after that we may see a crazy bull run, according to me personally, of course. Now, on SHIB side, we are still maintaining a trend line, and if I show you, we have this little bit of a trend line going on right there. So hopefully, yes, this is getting supported right now, and then from here we start to climb back up to maybe 337, come down like this, and then eventually continue up to 3586. Now, based on how fast you're getting there, this could actually happen by 1st of April. Now, speaking about the end of the month and April, let's actually check what the monthly is doing. Now, if you look at the SHIB candle, there is no any bad sign on a monthly time frame. So there are chances where April can actually be a very good month, because now SHIB has this one massive huge green candle, and there could be a chance that we see another green candle up to maybe even 7,000 next month. Okay, and if you do something like that, you're going to be printing in three white soldiers on the monthly, and that is going to mean that this coin here that you're looking at is really, really, really bullish. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.